Ever wondered what it really takes to become a millionaire? It might not be as hard as you think. In this video, we'll reveal 5 insider business secrets that could transform your financial future. Stay tuned till the end for a special tip that could transform your journey to becoming a millionaire. In this channel, we empower you to achieve financial freedom and build a millionaire mindset. Discover proven strategies, tips, and tricks for saving, investing, side hustles, and smart spending. Subscribe to our channel for more on financial freedom. Remember, financial freedom is not just a dream. It's a choice. Let's make it happen. Business 1: online courses and coaching. Let's kick things off with online courses and coaching. This business model is one of the most promising ways to generate substantial income. Why does it work so well? The online education industry is booming, with a projected worth of $325 billion by 2025. People are always looking to learn new skills, whether it's for career advancement, personal development, or just for fun. This constant demand creates a huge opportunity for course creators. So, how can you get started? Here are some key strategies. First, identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What expertise do you have that others might want to learn? It could be anything from digital marketing to cooking, graphic design to personal finance. The more specific you can be, the better. Next, build a comprehensive course. Plan out your lessons, create engaging content, and make sure to include practical exercises and assessments to help your students apply what they've learned. Remember, the quality of your course will directly impact your success. Finally, leverage platforms like Udemy or Teachable. These platforms make it easy to host your course, reach a wide audience, and manage your sales. They also provide marketing tools and support to help you grow your business. To give you some inspiration, think about creators like John and Jane. They turn their expertise into a 6-figure income by creating valuable courses and effectively marketing them. They started small, focused on providing real value to their students, and gradually built a loyal following. So, if you have knowledge or skills that others might find valuable, consider creating an online course. It's a scalable business model that can generate passive income and help you achieve your financial goals. Business 2: e-commerce and dropshipping. This business model has become incredibly popular, and for good reason. Why does it work so well? With low startup costs and the ability to reach a global market, e-commerce is a golden opportunity. You don't need to hold inventory, which reduces risk and upfront investment. Plus, the internet gives you access to customers all around the world. So, how can you get started? Here are some key strategies. First, find trending products. Research what's popular and in demand. Use tools like Google Trends, social media, and product research tools to identify items that people are excited about. It could be anything from tech gadgets to fashion accessories. Next, set up an online store with Shopify. Shopify makes it easy to create a professional-looking store without needing technical skills. You can customize your store, add products, and start selling quickly. They also offer a range of apps to help you manage your business efficiently. Finally, master digital marketing. Learn how to effectively use social media, search engine optimization, SEO, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your store. Building a strong online presence and engaging with your customers are key to growing your e-commerce business. Consider the success of Sarah, who turned her dropshipping business into a $1 million empire. She started by finding a niche market, setting up a simple Shopify store and focusing on marketing her products through Instagram and Facebook ads. By staying on top of trends and continuously optimizing her strategies, she scaled her business to incredible heights. E-commerce and dropshipping offer immense potential. With the right approach and dedication, you can build a profitable business and achieve financial independence. Business 3: real estate investing. The third insider business is real estate investing. This has long been considered one of the most reliable ways to build and preserve wealth. Why does it work so well? Real estate remains one of the most reliable ways to build and preserve wealth. Property values tend to appreciate over time, and rental income can provide a steady cash flow. Plus, there are various tax benefits associated with real estate investments. So, how can you get started? Here are some key strategies. First, start with rental properties. Buying properties to rent out is a common and effective strategy. Look for properties in desirable locations with strong rental demand. This will help ensure a steady stream of rental income. Next, understand market trends. Keep an eye on real estate trends in different areas. Research factors like job growth, school quality, and neighborhood developments that can affect property values and rental demand. Finally, learn about financing options. Understanding different financing options, such as mortgages, home equity loans, and private financing, is crucial. Leveraging these options can help you maximize your investments and grow your portfolio. Look at how Mark used strategic property investments to achieve financial freedom. He started with a single rental property, carefully researched the market, and gradually expanded his portfolio. By focusing on high-demand areas and smart financing, Mark built a real estate empire that generates substantial passive income. Real estate investing offers a solid path to wealth creation. With careful planning and smart decisions, you can build a profitable portfolio and secure your financial future. Business 4. Affiliate marketing. Our fourth business model is affiliate marketing. This approach has gained immense popularity for its potential to generate passive income. Why does it work so well? It's a low-risk way to earn passive income by promoting products or services. You don't need to create your own products, manage inventory, or handle customer service. Instead, you earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. So, how can you get started? Here are some key strategies. First, build a strong online presence. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or social media profile, having a platform where you can share content and engage with an audience is crucial. Next, choose profitable affiliate programs. Look for programs that offer good commission rates and align with your niche and audience. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale are popular choices. Finally, create valuable content. Focus on creating content that provides value to your audience, such as product reviews, tutorials, and comparisons. The more helpful your content, the more likely your audience is to trust your recommendations and make purchases through your links. Think of influencers like Chris, who turned their blog into a steady income stream through affiliate marketing. Chris started by writing detailed product reviews and guides, attracting a loyal readership. By strategically placing affiliate links and consistently delivering valuable content, Chris transformed their blog into a reliable source of passive income. Affiliate marketing offers a low-risk, high-reward business model. With dedication and the right strategies, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business and enjoy the benefits of passive income. Special tip: networking and mentorship. Before we wrap up, here's a special tip: networking and mentorship. This often overlooked strategy can be a game changer for your business journey. Why does it work so well? Building relationships with successful entrepreneurs can provide invaluable insights and opportunities. Experienced mentors can offer guidance, share their experiences, and help you avoid common pitfalls. Networking can also open doors to partnerships, funding, and new business ventures. So, how can you get started? Here are some key strategies. First, attend industry events. Conferences, workshops, and seminars are great places to meet like-minded individuals and industry leaders. Make an effort to introduce yourself, exchange contact information, and follow up after the event. Next, join professional groups. Become a member of organizations or online communities related to your field. Participate actively in discussions. share your knowledge, and learn from others. These groups can be a valuable resource for advice and support. Finally, seek out mentors. Look for individuals who have achieved success in your industry and reach out to them. Be respectful of their time and show genuine interest in their experiences. A good mentor can provide you with personalized guidance and help you navigate challenges. Many successful millionaires attribute their achievements to the guidance and support of mentors. They often share how these relationships help them make informed decisions, stay motivated, and seize opportunities they might have otherwise missed. Networking and mentorship can significantly impact your success. By building strong relationships and learning from others, you can accelerate your growth and achieve your financial goals. So there you have it, 5 insider businesses that could set you on the path to becoming a millionaire. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.